Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we'll be talking about Connect, what they are, and how you use them on Upwork. So Connect are the currency of Upwork. It's what you spend to bid for jobs. It is also a way for Upwork to generate revenue in addition to the 10% service fee that they charge. You remember I mentioned when we're opening the account that for every job that you complete on Upwork, Upwork will get a 10% of the amount of the project, which is a way for them to generate income because they connect you to your client. So another way for them to generate revenue is also by selling Connect. But as a new freelancer, you don't have to get started by buying Connect. There are a few ways you can get free Connect on Upwork. And the first method or the first way is when you register your account newly on Upwork, within 48 hours of your account being verified, you are entitled to 50 free connect as a new freelancer, right? So let's have a look here. So you can earn 50 free connect within 48 hours when your account on Upwork profile is verified. You can also earn 30 free connect when you are attain the Rising Talent badge. So what do they mean by the Rising Talent badge? So as a rising talent on Upwork, you are a new freelancer, right? But you have completed 100%. You have a 100% profile completion with your skills, your education, and genuine work. Your availability status is also updated, meaning that it's always turned on to show that you are available to take on jobs. You also have a positive performance on Upwork. For example, you have responded timely to invitations to jobs. You have also followed Upwork's terms and conditions. So if you're a new freelancer and you do all of this, you will get what is called the Rising Talent badge. And as you climb the ladder, there are other types of badges that you earn. So we have the top rated badge and then the top rated plus, and then I think the expert vetted. So for the top rated, you must have these are the criterias that you need to fulfill. So you need to have a current job success score of 90% or higher, had your first project on Upwork more than 90 days ago, maintain rising talent status or a job success status of at least 90% for at least 13 or 16 weeks, right? So that's the criteria, 100% profile completion as well. Then you must have earned at least 100,000 US dollars in the past 12 months for you to get the top rated badge. But that's not what we are here for today. We are here for Connect. So another way you can earn free Connect as a new freelancer is that every month you get 10 free Connect every new month. But for those who are on Freelancer Plus, they get about 80 free Connect each month. Now, as a new freelancer, automatically you are placed on the Freelancer Basic plan. But if you want to upgrade to the Freelancer Plus, there's a subscription fee of $20 per month. And there are some other benefits that you can enjoy if you're on the Freelancer Plus, such as your profile will be made visible to clients, and then you also get more connect. Those are some of the benefits. But as a new freelancer, you don't have to subscribe to the Freelancer Plus. The basic plan is just good for you, and you can get started with that and start making money on Upwork. Now, let's say you run out of your free connect and you need to get more connect. How do you do that? So once you log on to your profile, you come on to report at the top menu here. You can scroll down to connect history. Under connect history, once you get to connect history, you see this button that says buy connect. Now, for every connect that you buy, each connect costs 15 cents and they are sold in bundles. or you can purchase a custom amount of your choice. So let's click on buy connect and see. So as we can see, 10 free connect will cost $1.50. If you click on the drop down arrow, you can see the bundles that they have. So for 100 connect, that will cost you $15. For 200 connect, that will cost you $30. But if you want to buy a custom amount, you can just scroll down and go to custom amount and put the amount you want to buy. For example, let me say $17 worth of connect. So $17 worth will give me 57 connect, right? And each connect that you buy, it has an expiration period of 1 year. So if you don't exhaust it this month, you have up to the next 1 year to use up all your connect. And every month you can carry over your unused connect. Each job on Upwork requires a different amount of connect to bid for. Let's take a look at a few of them. So let's say you bought your connect and your available connect will show at the top here, right? Now you go to find work here, and let's take a look at the different jobs and number of connects that they require. So if you look at this very first one that says build two models in R, under here you see connect to apply. So for this particular job, you need 8 connects to apply for it. Let's scroll down and see another one. For this particular one, you need 16 connects to apply for it. Let me search for a graphics design job. Now, look at this graphics design job. Now, this one requires just 8 connects to apply for it. Let's scroll down and see. Majority of the jobs here are usually between 8 and 16 connects. Look at this one, photo editing. You need 12 connects to apply for it, right? So most of the jobs averagely require between 8 and 16 connects to apply for it. So that is it about connects today. In our next video, we'll be looking at how to actually apply to jobs, what you need to look out for when applying to jobs. So see you all in the next one.